Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself, Mrutula Kadderu, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. Children, today we are going to start with chapter number 14, perimeter, area and volume. So children, let us begin. Children, today let us continue with the chapter. The subtopic today we are going to cover is volume. So children, what is volume? Volume is nothing but the space occupied by any object. Suppose if you take a box, so whatever you fill inside that box, so that space is called as the volume. Suppose if I take this book, this page is there. So is this page a plain surface? Yes. If you take an example of blackboard, is it a plain surface? Yes. So such plain surfaces do not have any volume. They have only area. Example, if I take this paper or a page of this book, so is it in the shape of a square or rectangle? Yes, it is in the form of rectangle. So you can find the area of this but not the volume. Now, to find the volume, we have two geometrical figures. One is a cube and another one is a cuboid. So today we are going to study about the volume of cube and cuboid. So children, the cube is a solid box or a surface where every surface is a square and it is having a same area. When you observe a single face, this is called as the face. Here we have one face behind this side and upper and below. So totally we have 6 faces. A cube has 6 faces. Next one is vertex. Its plural form is vertices. Vertices are nothing but the points where the two line segments meet or where the two corners meet. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here we have another one 8. So totally we have 8 vertices. And next one is edges. Edges are nothing but the line segments which join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So totally there are 12 edges. So this you can draw as a dotted line. So totally there are 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Similarly, when we take a cuboid, here when you observe the face of this, so this will be the face, isn't it? So is this face a square or a rectangle? It is in the form of a rectangle. So rectangle will be having length and breadth, isn't it? So the volume of a cuboid can be measured in terms of length, breadth and height. So to find the volume of cuboid, we need to take area of one surface. What is this area of one surface? Your one surface is rectangle, isn't it? Into height. In this one surface, we have rectangle. So rectangle has length and breadth, isn't it? So I will take area of one surface as length into breadth and this height as it is. So length into breadth into height, cubic units. In the last video session or in the last exercise, we found area of square and rectangle. There the unit was square meter, square centimeters in square units, but here we use cubic units. Similarly, if we consider volume of a cube, again we take volume of cube as area of one surface into here height, because all the sides are same, we here we don't get any height, so I will take area of one surface into side. Area of one surface, here the surface is square, so area of the square will be side square, isn't it? That is side into side, and this one side, so three sides we are getting. Suppose if the side is L, so we get L into L cubic units. So these are the two formulas for volume of a cube and volume of a cuboid. So children, now let us solve exercise. Exercise 14b. Question number 1. Find the volume of a cube of a side 14 centimeters. So right side is equals to 14 centimeters as it is a cube. So the formula to find volume of a cube is L into L into L. Now replace the values by L into, that is 14. So 14 into 14 into 14. So children, multiply it. So children, when you multiply all these three, I have done it here rough, even you can do it, the answer we get is 2744. So write here 2744. As the unit mentioned here is centimeters, so you write cubic centimeters. Now moving to next one. Side is equals to 17 mm, that is millimeters. Now I think you are familiar, you can do along with me. Volume of a cube is equals to, again write the formula, L into L into L, that is 17 into 17 into 17. Multiply it. When you multiply, you get the answer 4913 cubic. What will be my unit now? Millimeter. So cubic millimeter. So you have to write it like this. Now moving to question number C. Side is equals to 15 meters. Again write the formula. Volume of cube is equals to L into L into L, that is 15 into 15 into 15. Multiply. When you multiply, you get the answer 3375. Now what will be my unit? As it is in meters, you have to write cubic meter. Moving to question number D. Side is equals to 21 centimeters. So write volume of cube is equals to L into L into L. So children, pay attention that you have to write the formula in every case, or the marks will be deducted. So 21 into 21 into 21. Multiply. You get the answer 9261 cubic centimeters. The unit should be very necessary. You have to compulsorily write it. Question number E. Side is equals to 19 centimeters. So again write the formula. Volume of cube is equals to L into L into L, that is 19 into 19 into 19. Multiply it. You get the answer 6859. Unit is cubic centimeters. Similarly, we have another question. Side is equals to 27 meter. Again write the formula. Volume is equals to L into L into L, that is 27 into 27 into 27. When you multiply, you get answer 19683. Unit will be cubic meters because we have here meter. I hope you all have understood. Okay.